So, hello guys, in today's video, we will be talking about how I get 100% hype. Yes, you are right. So, 1 years back, I was also searching for the same kind of video that how I'll get 100% hype. And will I get or not? I was having the same doubt in my mind, which you are having right now. So, let me clear you. You can get, definitely, you can get 100% hype. If you are hardworking, if you are willing to get it, you will definitely get it. So without delay, we will start this video, and if you are like interested in this video, be with me till the end. So I will be assuring you that you can use my techniques and tricks to get this kind of hype. So obviously I have started with applying for different roles and in different companies. Like I have given 5 to 6 interviews, and after that, I got selected in Wells Fargo. So that was my first offer, and I smartly accepted that with only 30 to 40% hike. So I was knowing in my mind I can use that offer letter in different other interviews, and I can negotiate my salary. So I did the same thing after accepting Wells Fargo's offer letter. I again started for applying for different kind of roles and responsibilities. Then I got call from EY. So one benefit was like that key. I already was in notice period, so they it was a kind of benefit for me. So you can also take that benefit, and after getting a 30 to 40% hike, you can put paper instantly, and then again start job searching again, and you will get a call. So after giving interview in EY, I got three interviews round was there. Firstly, a simple discussion about my roles, what I do, regular activities, and all. And then I got a technical round interview with my you know, internal staffs and managers. And then the final round was with our clients. So client round was also like related to my process, and only I was into credit process, so they were asking me the same question, and I got selected. And then I shared that I already have an offer with 40% hike, so I asked for more, and they were agreed with me, and they have provided 100% hike simply. So I was that time I was very happy, and it was a good thing for me also, because at the end of the offer, at the end of the notice period, I got a good amount of hike. So you can also use this kind of technique for your future roles. Like, you get one offer, and then you keep applying for different kind of roles, and then you can use that offer to get more hike, and that will be beneficial for you. Suppose if I was settled down in that Wells Fargo's offer letter only, so I could not able to get this 110% hike from different from a big four. So it was your hard work and your motivation that will be helpful for you in the long run. So be consistent and be, little motivated and little, hard working than others, and you will definitely get a good hike. So like, companies are there, they will in starting they will tell you that we are having this kind of budget, we can only provide you 30 to 40% hike. And the minute you tell them that you are already having two offer letters or one offer letters, they will immediately change their mind, and they will offer you more, because they have the budget. They just know that candidates, like, what kind of candidate they want, and if the candidate is having a good knowledge, and they have given interviews, like they have gave the interview good, then they can offer them the good amount and they will not even negotiate it. At the time of EY, they have not even negotiated me the amount I have quoted. They have directly given that amount to me. So I was like, "Ki, this is the point, and you can also use it." So be consistent, be active, and be motivated all the time, and you also can get it. Because 1 year back I was also searching for the same kind of video, ki how to get 100% hike or 80. I was not even sure about how will I change my job. So I change also, I get my like dream job as well in Big Four, and also I have got the 110% hike. So you can also do it. And for this, thank you for being with me till the end for this video. And you can subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I will be sharing more about how to apply for different roles, and what is the you know how will you get more calls on naukri.com, and what is the related to MBA and job related video. If you want, you can follow me, subscribe me, and you can share my video to other person, your friends and all. So that will be beneficial for them also and you also. And this is my starting, so I know I am looking little nervous in this video, but day by day I will improve myself, and I'll be posting like that only. So thank you, please share, like, and subscribe my video, please, please, please. Thank you, bye.